Hello friends, welcome back, and today we're going to talk about channel 214. Please know that if you have this channel, you're definitely 100% a generator or manifesting generator. And that means your G center is connected not to the throat like in the channel 1-8, but it's connected to the sacral center. And so your G center, which is the compass of who you are, and it's connected to the energy center, your sacral center. And when these two are connected, the energy, the sacral energy goes to your G center, which means that you can make out of a rock a diamond, meaning you can make out of nothing something very special and something unique. Of course, if you're listening to your sacral center. And for generators, please understand that this is so critical. You can activate this channel if you will listen again to the signal that yes, this is something that you wanted to do. You feel the sensation like a butterflies in your stomach when somebody's telling you, let's go to the retreat. And you're like, yes, I want to go. Let's start this business. And you're like, yes, I want to. Or somebody's telling you, I can give you this job and you'll be making $10 more an hour. You can start tomorrow. And you feel like, no. And so if you follow your sacral center and you are agreeing to that, consider you can achieve so many things because you have in this channel, again, this channel 214 has the aura where people want to follow you. If in the channel 1-8, they wanted to follow you because of your self-expression, because of your genius gift to know certain craft or know certain knowledge. Here, they just follow your almost kind of magical aura and they're ready to take action. So the biggest difference here, 214, people following you and they're ready to take action. But at the same time, you're like 1-8 are not attached if people are following you or not, because you are already a leader. And by the way, if you have this channel, consider that people with this channel 214 don't like to work for anybody else. They have hard time following instructions, directions, having authority figure bosses, or people who are telling them what to do, because they have this strong leadership already built in them. And so you can follow 214, but not the other way around. They're definitely not going to follow you. But again, if you're living on the high vibration, if you're also following your sacral signal, because sacral signal is always just committed to you, to what's yours, what makes you happy, what you meant to do. And if you're wasting your energy doing something that is not yours, what you're not meant to do, you're pretty much accumulating what you don't like here and there and here and there and there, and then you're living on a low vibration, feeling exhausted, tired, and lethargic, because your sacral center that is built into you, and it's also connected to your G center through this channel, is a gift to humanity, but you're just wasting it on things that is not meant to be yours. And here also remember that in this leadership, this magical aura that you have is meant for generators. Obviously, manifestors, projectors, and reflectors not gonna follow you, and it's okay, because 70% of the humanity are generators in the first place, and that's fine. So with that said, I hope you're clear on the channel 214. Namaste, my friends.